Welcome WordPress technology to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Beginners Class 2 Install Plugins WordPress. Install the plugin. If you have a specific one in mind or need recommendations, let me know. Open the WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Show the other plugins, then select All Plugins. Click the Bulk Actions drop-down, choose Delete, and press the Apply button. All plugins are delete. Then click Add New. Search for the following plugins one by one and click Install for each. Search for Elementor and click to install. Search for WooCommerce and click Install. Search for WooCommerce product variation swatches and click Sorry, there was a spelling mistake in the product. Install. Search for product slider for WooCommerce and click Install. Search for WP product review and click Install. Search for WooCommerce product table and click Install. Search for ETH and select the YITH WooCommerce wishlist and click Install. Search for WooCommerce stock management and click Install. Search for WooCommerce product bundles Sorry, there was a spelling mistake in the product. And click Install. Search for contact form and click Install. Search for essential add-ons Elementor and click Install. After installing, go to the Installed Plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. All the plugins are installed. Click the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, select Activate, and select All. and click the Apply button. All plugins are activated. Next section, Class 3. How to customize the home page using Elementor. WordPress technology. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.